Hello and welcome back. Right now today, I'll be checking out this Trimui Smart Pro. Right, here it is. Right now, what's different about this console is the fact that you can't actually play Steam on this console, where in the past, the retro gaming consoles, they can't play Steam, but this one can. But there's only one problem, you actually need a PC to stream from the PC to the console, which isn't a bad idea really, because you can actually play all the latest games on this console. For considering that this console is actually only £70, and what it comes with, it's absolutely amazing. At the back it does say it comes with a 4.96 inch screen and it's IPS LCD. It's got 2 joysticks and stereo speakers. And it's a Smart Pro TG5040. And it's a TG5000 series. Now let's check out the box. Now you see what you get inside. Now when you open the box you get the instructions. So that's instructions there. If you want to pause the video you can. I do that sometimes because some people get these things, they don't come with instructions, and they won't know where the instructions are. And this is the other one. That's what every button does. And this is the console itself. Inside the box you do get the charging cable, which is USB Type-C and all. And it does come pre-installed with a micro SD card, which is 64GB. This can play like your thingy ROMs, from very classic ROMs to like newer ROMs. I'll show you that. I'll show you that in a minute anyway. At the bottom, you get the charging port. That's where you put the micro SD card in. That's where you plug in your headphones in. And this is different options that you can do within the console. At the top here, you do get a host port, a volume control, a power button, and each side of the console you get the left and right buttons to each side. So it's easy to hold and everything like that. It's a good size screen. I like how these light up and all. See the joysticks itself around the sides when it's on, these light up. And at the bottom here, each side speakers, and this lights up red when it's charging. So let's turn it on now. Hopefully it's got some charge. Loading. So when you turn it on, you get this greeted with a screen here. To skip the menus and everything like that, you need to press these buttons at the top. And just go through the menus. Now, in the apps folder, it does have a reader, so you can read books, you can look at pictures, you can play videos, which isn't bad because the videos I've seen, you can actually play 4K videos in this, which is absolutely amazing. And also as well that's how you get Steam. Now through Moonlight, you need to just YouTube Moonlight, how you set Moonlight up on this. That'll show you how you connect it to Steam. Now you can actually connect your PC to this, like your whole screen to this console itself as well, and control it within this environment, so it's not bad. You've also got a music player in there. I think it plays MP3s and Windsmead audio and all. Now the emulators, you can actually put your own emulator on if you want and all, but you obviously got to have a PC for that. So you put your own ROMs and put your ROMs in folders, and then put an SD card and put it in here. Now PlayStation, like I say, got quite a few games in here. Anyway, these are the ones that were already pre-installed on the console itself. Remember that. And the sound quality isn't that bad. To try Tekken, just going to put Tekken on. Namco. Remember this from back in the day, I can. Tekken 3. I'll just put anything on just to show you, that's all. The screen quality isn't bad, is it?
Round 1. Fight!
Oh. Oh. Oh, come on. Oh, KO. Woo. Now, obviously to exit the game, you need to press this button down the bottom here. And you go to exit and press OK. Press A on here. Tomb Raider, remember that? Now, I've been playing Steam on this, and I've been playing GTA 5 through this, on Steam through this console, and it's really good. Considering, like I say, considering the price of the console itself, it's not bad. It's basically an idea gift to get to somebody who's obviously into gaming. You got your PSP and all. I've got some games on here. Remember GTA Vice City? Liberty it's Vice City Stories, that's one it is. Like I say, you can put your own on here anyway. The classics. It does remember actually a PSP, but it's got a bigger screen, so it's better. GTA. I mean, gotta be careful because it's copyrighted. You know what YouTube's like. But look at this.
Vic Vance reporting for duty, sir. Relax. Are you well? Yes, thank you, Sergeant.
Now let's see if we can find the controls. So I'll wait this.
Listen, if plans change, I'll let you know. What's this? It's a pager. Tough guy. Welcome to the 80s, Vic.
I think we know the controls and check. Whoa! Whoa! You get the idea, don't you? You know what I mean? It's like I say, it's into bad console. To show you around the console itself, it's not heavy either. But anyway, I think I covered everything. If you want to buy one of these anyway, like I say, I've put the link below. Also, as well, don't forget to subscribe because I'm doing I do reviews. I do basically reviews of hotels and tech, and basically anything where I can get a review, I do that, and I do funny stuff and all on my videos on YouTube. I just basically do it's a bit of everything basically. 70% of people, right, that are on my channel aren't subscribing, so please subscribe to my channel. I'm trying to get 10k followers. I'm nearly there. Thanks for watching anyway. And like I say, if you want know anything about this console, just let me know in the comments. Thanks. Bye.